Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rupali and today we're gonna learn about data type and its classification in Java. So let's get started. So data type specifies the different sizes and a value that can be stored in a variable and various operations that can be performed on it. For example, integer sum. It tells that a variable sum can store an integer value and that we can perform arithmetic and relational operations on it. Now, data types are basically divided into two main categories, primitive data types and non primitive data types. Primitive data types are very simple and easy data types that Java provides, and non primitive data type are user defined and are more complex. Array, classes, and interface are the example of non primitive data type. We will talk about these data type in a separate tutorial. So, Java provides total 8 primitive data types to us: Boolean, int, short, long, float, double, character, and byte. So, Boolean data type can have only two possible values, true or false, and it is used for simple flags that can track true false condition. The default for Boolean is always false. Int is short for integer and it defines a variable which can hold whole numeric values. For example, 97, 100, 1, 2, something like that. And the size of int variable is 32-bit or 4 bytes. Short is also used to hold an integer value, but its size is 16-bit or 2 bytes. This is probably the least used data type in Java. Long is again used to define integer type variables only, but its size is 64-bit, which is equivalent to 8 bytes. So long is used when int type is not large enough to hold a desired value. Byte. So byte is the smallest integer type of data type that has size 8-bit or 1 byte. And this type of a variable is especially useful when you are working with a stream of a data from a network or a file. Float and double are used to store real numbers having fraction or decimal point numbers. But float specifies a single precision value and it stores 32-bit of storage. Double, on the other hand, specifies double precision and it uses 64-bit of storage. Now, precision here means that the accuracy with which they store any number. So, float can give you a precision of 6 to 7 total digits. For example, if you want to store 12.12345, it can be stored as a float, but if you want to store 12.123456789, you cannot store it as a float type. So you need to store it as a double. Also, float variable is declared with a f suffix after the number. For example, float a is equals to 1.65f. Now, char here is used to store a single character in Java and it is 16-bit wide. So you can store any number, any character or any symbol to it, which belongs to ASCII code or Unicode. So that's it guys, that's about data types in Java and its classification. If you want to learn more about it, like in detail, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, tell me in the comment section if you like my video or if you have any suggestions for me. Thank you.